Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Destiny. First, you'll choose your Guardian from 3 distinct classes: the Agile Hunter, the Powerful Warlock, or the Resilient Titan. Each class offers unique abilities and playstyles, so pick one that suits your preferred combat approach. You'll then embark on initial story missions, which serve as an excellent tutorial for the game's core mechanics and rich lore. Pay attention to your light level, as it's crucial for determining your character's overall power and readiness for more challenging activities. Destiny's core gameplay revolves around exhilarating first-person shooter combat. You'll face a wide array of enemy factions, each with unique behaviors and weaknesses. Equip a diverse arsenal, including kinetic, energy, and heavy weapons, to adapt to different situations. Don't forget to unleash your powerful class abilities and devastating supers, which can turn the tide of any engagement. Teamwork is key, so coordinate with your fire team of up to 3 players to overcome challenging encounters and achieve victory. To advance your Guardian, focus on increasing your light level by earning and equipping higher power gear. Destiny offers a wealth of activities, from 3-player strikes and 6-player raids to challenging dungeons, each providing unique rewards and experiences. If you enjoy player versus player combat, jump into the Crucible. For a blend of PvP and PvE, try Gambit. Regularly complete bounties and seasonal challenges to earn experience, unlock new gear, and progress through the seasonal track. For new players, joining a clan is highly recommended. It provides a community, makes finding teammates easier, and offers bonus rewards. Don't be afraid to experiment with various weapon types and armor mods to discover what suits your playstyle best. Prioritize completing weekly powerful and pinnacle gear activities to efficiently boost your light level. Finally, immerse yourself in Destiny's rich universe by exploring its extensive lore and engaging story, which truly enhances the overall experience.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.